Okay, so 24 Prius hybrid gas model with electric motor. And we're taking off the door panel. All seems easy until you get to, look at this. Whoop-de-doo, it's easy, right? Put your finger under here. Okay, whoop-de-doo, it's easy, right? Okay. Screw there already removed. But I have been fighting with this thing, and I don't see any other way to put it in other than to fight to put it in. So after all that fighting, I finally figured out how this thing works. It slides down. No way. Look at this. It slides downward. It doesn't even pop out. You gotta be kidding me, dude. It's like a sliding door. Holy Moses. Look at this. Look at this. So I fought with the front door. I'm gonna put this in my video. Look, it slides downward. No way, dude. Look, after all that fighting, it just slides up and down. That is funny. Very, very, very funny. So, without me scratching it, let me put it back. I needed to know that. Look, after 45 minutes of fighting. But we're going to pop this guy out. Okay, this guy stays in the door. Okay, we got the handles out now. So here's the door panel. I'm going to show you the door panel completely gone. Okay, great. Whoop-de-doo. All right, so after fighting with the door panel, to get that off, we're going to show you how to take the door mirror off, because you have to get the door panel off to get the door mirror off. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to put it back as if we were never here. You see? And this rubber has to go back in as well. So with this guy, Mr. 99FR, is right here. All right. So pull that guy off. Pull this guy up. And pull this rubber out your way. Revealing, ta-da, more bolts. We're going to show you how to take it completely off, so let's do it. With 3 bolts missing, mirror's still on. That's good, because what I like in these days is they have a tab right here. Alright, so even when you push this down, pop this out, there's another one right here. So needing both hands, I'm going to show you this is the way to do it. So you can sort of see it's starting to get removed. Alright, you see it's coming off. Alright, so that is that tab. Alright, but you also got this one in the back as well. So, I mean, technically it's not going to fall out because, watch, the wire is going to hold it in place anyway. But we're going to show you how to do it so it's in our hand. And there you have it. So, that is how you do it. I'm going to line them back up. And push the tabs back in. See? Now, I didn't unplug it, but you have to unplug it. And this one has the, yes, this one does have the blind spot. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do. As far as heated and all that, I have no idea. But that's where you have to come into play and order the right one for your car. So, I will leave any link I can find with this thing. And we'll say, like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.